Hello. Today we are making my two favorite pickled vegetables. It is pickled red onions and pickled radishes. There's something about it. I have already put some white vinegar in this pot. 2 cups, and then 2 cups of water. Into the pot it goes. 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's get to it then. El sal, la sal. Don't ask me. I don't know. 1. And the 2. And back to the sugar. I'm just using white sugar. If you want to be fancy and make your pickles taste weird, use brown sugar. Or raw sugar. If you're vegan, I guess. 1. That splashed on my kettle. 2. This is riveting. Let that slowly come up to a boil. Alright, we need our ingredients. This onion fell apart in the bag because I threw it, but, you know, this is the price we pay for being a chaotic person. You see, it's just, it's very slimy. You can't see anything, but believe me, she's a little slimy. We are thinly slicing her. Though these are very thin, so, you know, trust me, we'll do this together. Though you are not here with me, but I believe you are in spirit. We have kind of a half of a red onion done. Now I have to wash this. And then we're gonna get another half right here. I won't throw this one. I feel as if I've learned the lesson. We'll see if that's true or not. Our vinegar solution. Is it a solution? Something is mixed into it. I guess it is. All right. I'm also a scientist. How exciting for me. I'm not using all of these little radishes. Fun fact, I really thought that I used to be allergic to radishes because they would make my tongue feel fuzzy every time I ate them, but now they don't, so maybe they're just bad. 1 done. Though, you know, when you don't cut something all the way through, is it my knife? Is it me? Am I a failure of a human being? I assume it is the latter. We're cutting another radish, keeping you up to date since you can't see anything that I'm doing. It's cut, you see? If you hear some screaming, it's some straight men outside playing football. We are at November 11th, the pandemic is still on. They want to play football to probably deal with their daddy issues, I would assume. They go to Loyola. There's got to be some Catholic daddy issue happening. Don't all Catholics have daddy issues? Mine does. I want to save her. That reminds me. I found this little baggie one day and I thought it was perfect to put a little clove of garlic, and now it lives on my bookshelf. I'm gonna save her. It's gonna live right here. Just right there. Okay. Look, this one is great too. There's just a little baby. Ah! I love personifying foods. None of these are evenly cut, just for you to know. There's one that's this thin, and there's one that's this thick. It's, you know, improv! Ha! Wow! This is the thickest one yet. Okay, maybe we won't use that one. And anyways, we're pretty much full. Incredible. So we're focusing on the pickling at the moment. We will get to the Pico de Gallo soon. Amazing timing. Our vinegar mixture has come to a boil. Okay. Ooh, she's strong on the nostrils. She hits the nostrils. Oh, I just got it all over my cutting board. I have a very small kitchen. I need to figure out where these are gonna go. On the fridge. Perfect. I love myself. Look! She's still here. Keeping an eye on me. Is it a nose? Maybe. We're cutting another red onion. Just in case you were wondering. You know what they say about onions and people. You know. We're dicing, we're slicing, we're having a great time. Impulsive thoughts, or intrusive thoughts, same thing, I guess. Make me want to go, what? Right on here. Probably gonna cut that out. Did I cut it out? Your red onion? You want it? You? Too much red onion. Will there be room for everything else? We're gonna see. I have some Roma tomatoes. Roma. Okay. I'm not okay. Thank you for asking. What if I put it? I'll just hold it. We're cutting the tomato. We're almost slicing our finger off, but at this point, no one is surprised. Now we've come to the dangerous part. It's not. Why I decide I like to cook. Ooh! Yeah, I got jalapeno juice in my eye. Oh no! I have a high pain tolerance. Fuck you, jalapeno! We've finished the jalapeno. It's a nice little layered guy here. We've got a lime. We're gonna roll the lime. Roll it. You know? I'm pretty buff. You can't see. Okay. I haven't been looking at the camera the whole time. Welcome to my channel. My first YouTube video. I'm a limey kind of guy. You know? Limey? Let's forget about that. Does this feel weird now? The whole video I haven't been looking at you. Now I'm making direct eye contact with you. Okay, we're adding a lot of salt. Just flaky sea salt. This flaky sea salt. Put it in here. Try and get everything moved around. We're going to give it a taste. Good tortilla chip. Here's our tasting chips. Really great surface area. Okay, this is just broke. Add a little sandwich. This is good. Also red onion heavy. I love a red onion. And we're done. They've substantially cooled off. They're no longer steaming. They're both beautiful purple red colors. We've got these and these. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you want to follow me on Instagram, do that. It's at neck cramp. I'm also on TikTok. Don't look at those. They're uninteresting. I also have a website with a bunch of my artwork that I need to update because I've been painting more. But if you want to look at that, look at that. I'm very proud of that website. This is getting really hot. So like, subscribe, hit the bell. I hope you have a great day.